Welcome to our video on Cashculator's Zoom feature, designed to provide a more detailed and customizable financial experience. With this new tool, taking a closer look at your finances has never been easier. By utilizing familiar keyboard shortcuts such as Command and plus to zoom in, or Command and minus to zoom out, Cashculator empowers you to take full control of your financial data view. A simple press of a key combination adjusts the size of the text and numbers to your preference, allowing for a more comfortable and accessible viewing experience. Whether you need a detailed view to closely examine your financial details or a bird's-eye overview to grasp the bigger picture, Cashculator's Zoom feature adapts to your needs, ensuring maximum readability and convenience. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more videos on Cashculator's innovative features and updates.